Hello KG students, how are you all? Yes, so children, today in English we will be starting a new chapter. Okay, हम एक नया chapter start करेंगे and that will be one and many. One and many. One माने one singular object. Okay, कोई भी any object, anything. One singular माने कोई एक object. Okay, and many माने बहुत सारे objects, बहुत सारे things. Okay, look at the picture. There is one toy. एक toy है, एक खिलौना. So we will say one toy. हम बोलेंगे एक toy, one toy. Then you will see there are many toys. कोई एक ऑब्जेक्ट हो तो हम उसमें सिर्फ टॉय बोलेंगे. बहुत सारा मीन्स मैनी ऑब्जेक्ट्स देखेंगे तो हम उसमें बोलेंगे टॉयस. वी विल से टॉयस. व्हेन वी सी सो मैनी ऑब्जेक्ट्स वी विल से टॉयस. ओके, सिंगुलर मीन्स वन ऑब्जेक्ट. सिंगुलर माने हम एक ऑब्जेक्ट को बोलते. एंड प्लूरल मीन्स मैनी ऑब्जेक्ट्स. ओके, सो वन विल कम इन सिंगुलर एंड मैनी विल कम इन प्लूरल. प्लूरल माने बहुत सारा. सिंगुलर माने one thing, only one object. Okay, look here, singular and plural means one means singular mane one thing, like one flower, so it will come in singular. Okay, then you have many flowers, that will come in many flower. Plural, that will come in plural, many flowers. Okay, when an object is one in number, कोई भी object जो एक ही में हो, like one, so it will be singular one. but when the objects are more than one, एक से ज़्यादा कुछ भी आपने objects रखा हो, देखा हो, so it will come in many objects and it will be plural. It will come in plural. Understood children? जब आप कोई एक object देखते हो, it will come in one. जब आप बहुत सारे objects देखते हो तो it will come under many objects, many things. Okay, look, in singular one there is one bird and there is one mango. singular में क्या है, एक bird है और एक mango है. one bird and one mango. then plural में क्या है, so many birds. many माने बहुत सारा. many birds and many mangoes. many birds and many mangoes. Okay, so children, in your English book, in page number 32, look here, there is given one ball, one ball, एक ही ball, so it will come in one. Then you in the side they have so many balls, many balls माने बहुत सारे, so it will come in plural. There is one bag, 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 one bag. Then they have many bags, so many bags, many माने बहुत सारे bags. Then you have one duck, एक duck, 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 one duck. There are many ducks. Then you have one bun. Then you have many buns. many माने बहुत सारा, many buns. Then you have one book. माने एक book. It will come in singular. They have many books. It will come under plural. Understood children? So this is a new chapter, that is one and many. So children, today's homework, what is your homework today? In your English book only. आपका homework आज सिर्फ English book में ही है. That is in page number 34 in English book, page number 34, you have given some exercise, practice time. You have to do it in your book. आपको book में ही करना है. Look here, there is two monkeys, so it will come under monkey और monkeys बोलेंगे. जब हमने two monkeys देखा तो हम क्या बोलेंगे, one monkey और monkeys, many monkeys. Yes, we will show many monkeys. तो monkeys पे हम tick लगाएंगे. You will write, put it on monkeys, tick. Then look at the next picture. There is one tiger or many tiger. बहुत सारा tiger है कि एक tiger है. One tiger or many tiger. Yes, only one tiger. Understood? The next picture you have birds. One bird or so many birds? Yes, many birds. बहुत सारे birds है. S. So you will put the tick on birds. में. Then you have frogs. There are one frog or so many frogs? Yes, many frogs. Many frogs. So you will put the tick on frogs. You will put the tick on frogs. Okay, so rest of all is your homework. You have to do this exercise in your English book. Book में ही करना है, copy में नहीं करना. It is, you have to do this homework in your English book only. Page number 32.